Hi everyone. Next topic is signal communication process. That means how original information is transferred from original source to the receiver. Let us suppose, see here, I am trying to speak with you. That means I am talking. The words which I am speaking here, you have to receive these words. Then what are the steps involved in this transmission? Basically, communication system contains basic three parts. First one is transmitter, second one is communicating channel or guiding channel, third one is receiver. If you go in detail, input side is transmitter, output side is receiver, and communication between input and output is done by communicating channel. If you go in detail, input side, initially the information, original information is converted into analog electrical signal with the help of input analog device. Now this input analog device is given to the transmitter. Transmitter contains two parts, drive circuit and laser light source. Input analog signal which is received from the analog device is converted into digital pulse with the help of drive circuit. Now this digital pulse is given to the laser source which converts this electrical signal into optical signal. Now at the end of the transmitter, signal is converted into light signal. Now this optical signal is given to the communicating channel which is simple optical fiber. When this input optical signal is entered into the optical fiber core material with the angle greater than critical angle, it undergoes total internal reflection. Due to the multiple total internal reflections, this optical signal transfers from left end of the communicating channel to the right end. At the end of the optical fiber, now this optical signal is entered into the receiver. Receiver contains three parts. First one is photo or light detector, second one is amplifier, third one is signal restorer. Photo or light detector detects the optical signal from the optical fiber and converts it into electrical digital signal. Now this digital signal, electrical digital signal, now amplified with the help of amplifier, because if there is any loss because of the transmission, signal may weaks. To strengthen the signal, amplifier helps. Now this amplified signal is given to the signal restorer which gives you original analog electrical signal. This is the output. This is the process involves in transmission of signal from original source to the receiver.